here on MX24 television with me, Chichi Ebefa, and I'm on the streets of Accra. Accra is hot. Use umbrellas when you can. Today again, I'm going to be hitting the streets. I'll be interacting with a hustler. I'll get to hear their story, what inspires them, what keeps them going, and is what they're doing a good venture for you hustlers out there who want to venture into other things. So please come with me and let me go meet my hustler. When you hear this sound, what comes to mind? Fan yogurt, right? Yes, yes, yes. I am on the streets and I am selling fan yogurt. I'm a yogurt seller today. What's the Pacho Brow? Please, what's your name first of all?
My name is Timothy Akuji.
Timothy.
Akuji.
I love your name. Thank you so much for allowing me to sell this yogurt with you. But first of all, how do I hold this? How am I supposed to hold it?
Yeah, you are supposed to hold it within this your two fingers.
Okay.
Attach to the handle like this.
How am I supposed to hold it at the same time carrying this?
Oh,
Yeah,
you hold it in between two fingers like this.
Okay.
And you hold it attached to the push handle.
Okay, so.
And when you are to press, you use your thumb.
Oh, okay. Okay, so let me try it again. Oh, okay. Guys, let's go. Please,
So
if you're on the street.
Don't raise it too much.
I shouldn't raise it, just.
The front to.
Okay. Please, if you're on the street and you see me, patronize me. So, how often should I press it?
Anyhow.
Really?
Any place that you think there are people, you can do it so that the people can hear it and buy.
Today, they have taken your job. Oh. Today, dear. Me na me to yogurt. How long? How many minutes or how long have you been on the street so far?
It's about 3 years now.
Oh, 2 years. You've been selling 3 years.
Yeah.
Wow. You've been selling for 3 years.
Yeah.
Please, I have my first customer. Why?
Oh, you can come and buy.
Oh, please come and buy. Why? Don't be scared. Please come and buy. Be my first customer. Please, what do you want? Which one? The 3 cities. The blue one?
Float and then pancho.
Okay. Guys, I'm making my first sales. So the blue one.
Yeah, it's under there.
Okay.
At the front.
I've seen it.
So you use the black rubber to remove this one, then the white rubber.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So I made a mistake already, so I'm just going
So you can put it inside.
I can put it inside. And then did she say she wants both fruits? Please, you just want the yogurt. Okay. Patch up, saying. One chocolate and one both fruit. Charlie, I'm making money. Patch up, man, sis and why. So.
Who gave you the 10?
So yes, just the yogurt. Fan choco and both fruits. I'm loving my job. Hey, how did I open this?
Yeah.
Okay. This is this okay?
So this is
Thank you very much. Please her change.
Wow.
Okay. Guys, I've made my first sales. Charlie, it's not easy. How did you hey boy? Is this how you said I should hold it?
These two fingers.
Like this. Like this. Like this. Okay. Let's go, guys. So you were saying?
So I was saying that you need capital in order to start the business. So far, I'm trying to go back to them if I can start or I can go to school like that.
I have another. Hey, boy. But this is it's not easy to handle though. Please, better say. Farmer, Pacha. Straight and where are we going? Where should we? We should keep going straight. Okay. So you were saying that you had to leave the north to come to Accra. And then start selling. What year did you make the decision?
Some of us probably are students.
You were students in the
Yeah,
north.
we are students.
Oh, okay. Which
Especially
school?
me like this. I completed Bolatanga Technical Institute.
Oh, wow. Wow. Which course did you study there?
I studied electrical engineering technologies.
Oh, wow.
Uh,
That's a lot, like, that's a lot of information and skills that you have acquired. So how come you were not able to put it into good use?
Even as at now, I'm still apprentice. I'm having someone that I follow to learn the work. But it's just because of the financial challenges, I'm not able to stay at one place.
Which university do you want to go to?
I want to any technical university.
So KNUST? Have you
Oh.
considered taking KNUST?
Oh, I will appreciate that.
But which course exactly, have you thought about the course exactly you want to study at these tertiary institutions?
And that's why I said first, I said I just want to continue my course because I have more experience in
So which course do you want to do then?
electrical engineering.
Electrical
technology.
engineering. Okay, what do you want to be? Because it looks like you are so
I want to be
centered
an
on.
electrical engineer.
You want to be an electrical engineer. Why that
Because
passion?
I've
I'm
since I was
curious.
born electrical,
Wow.
I was just having electric in
Hands-on.
in my head.
Wow.
So I'm interested in it.
Interesting. So at what age did you start doing this electrical stuff? At what age?
I can say after JHS.
Wow.
When I was somewhere 14.
Naturally, you just started.
Oh, even before I went to SHS. I started it before I went to SHS.
Interesting.
Or I could use battery.
Nobody thought you could just do it yourself.
I was doing it small.
Wow. That means like naturally, like you're talented.
Oh, I can say God has.
Yes,
given
God
me-
has blessed you. So now you decide to come to Accra. Did you have somebody in Accra that you intended to stay with? What was the plan?
I have one of my brother here. He too is
Oh, okay.
His husband like me.
Okay, so you
So
know
I
somebody.
just called him and then told him my problem. And then he said he's not the one going to work for me, but he put me into the work. So I should be serious with the work.
Okay.
But he has nothing to help me than to put me into the work.
Please come and buy, oh, come and buy, boy.
You have seen that the market is down.
Yeah, because I can imagine like walking under the sun. How do you cope under the sun
We have no option. You can see that my voice is somehow.
Oh,
these
Charlie.
days, Qatar, where we are staying, is not all that good, but we need to take it like that. We need to appreciate it because we don't even need to sleep. Because we work like this until around 12 in the night. And we go and sleep small 4. You have to get up.
So what time do you wake up and hit the streets? What time?
Some days around 4 or 5 o'clock. It depends on how.
4 a.m.
Yeah.
You wake up at 4 a.m.
It
to start
depends
the
on
hustle.
how
Wow.
I closed the
previous day. So what time do you close?
I don't have a particular time.
But
because,
approximately from your experiences so far.
10, 11, 12 in the
10,
evening.
11, 12.
Yeah.
Wow. So every day you wake up, like what keeps you going? Like, Charlie, I have to go out and hustle. Because you could
Because
give up.
of the school.
It's because of school, because of your ambition.
Yeah.
You really want to be an electrical engineer. I'm wishing you all the best. But before we go, tell me, what do you like to do for fun? I know you say you're always busy, but what do you do to relax? Don't tell me you don't do anything.
In Accra here, even Accra here, they don't even value us. As we are pushing this thing, they call us Abochi, Abochi. They say we are from Niger somewhere. But we keep it.
Those are the challenges you face.
Because they normally say we don't judge the book by its cover. So if your cover is rough, it's somehow dirty, you have to judge it just like that.
How do you feel when people disrespect you?
I feel like I don't feel anything. I take it easy. Because sometimes I become angry, but I can't say anything.
For people watching out there, young people like yourself who are hustling, what would you tell them?
Oh, I would advise them to keep on hustling. Because as they see big men in the cars, it's not only office work that they do to get those cars. Some of them hustle like this and then get.
Yeah.
And I also advise them to be careful. They should save money. They shouldn't copy others. Some others, they have parents, they have people that can take care of them.
Yeah.
So if you are copying them, by the end they will succeed. So you will fall down.
Yeah,
You will
yeah.
fail. So I'll advise them to be hardworking and then to keep saving money.
Guys, you have him. Keep up the hustle. Keep up the hustle. The challenges will be plenty. The problems will keep coming. But you have to keep up the hustle. That's the message I got from Timothy. Be nice to them, be kind to them wherever and whenever you see them. I am Chichi MFI. You've been watching Accra with you here on MX24 television. Bye.